every day that I awake, I must be mindful that every day's all I have to call my own. It's every day the sun will rise, even though the dark clouds seem so low. It will only tell the truth, we are alone.
You're on St. Claude Avenue in the lower Ninth Ward of New Orleans, and this is the Industrial Canal Bridge. This is the only bridge working, and that's why you see traffic backed up on it. And right now, because of the way things are running, where they normally run traffic one way, now when they open it up, they run traffic both ways. That's why you're sitting there a little while, but ain't no problem. You know, everybody's got all the time in the world right now. I had an evacuation camp down in Violet because I'm a retired Marine, and I set up that camp. And then when we started getting people out, Bell South was instrumental in getting a lot of the people out through the Violet Canal because they were shuttling people back with their vans. And then they moved all the nurses and everybody out of the hospital. So Bell South did a wonderful job. They gave up their building for the fire and police, and they're just now getting that building back in order. So we finally found another place to stay, so we gave them their building back.
And it will only tell the truth, we are alone. We are all alone, each one his own. We are all alone, together. You're not without what it's all about. We're all alone with each other.
When I was up there looking, it reminded me of Noah's Ark, but it's the opposite because Noah's Ark brought life, preserved life, and this just wiped out everyone's house.
Every day that I awake, I must be mindful that every day's all we have for us to change, to see everything as it really is. Everything we have to give, and it will only tell the truth, we are alone.
We're on the spot. This is where the barge breached the levee. You can see the barge is still sitting. I think there's a mystery of how to get this barge back on the other side of the levee. Looked like this area was devastated by a bomb. Nothing seems to be salvageable.
We are alone. We are all alone, each one his own. We are all alone, together. We are not without what it's all about. We're all alone. We are all alone. We are all alone with each other.